Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in today's video, I'm going to be decorating my table simply winter red. So come on with me, guys. Now, sometimes I do enjoy the simplicity of a tablescape. It doesn't have to be overloaded and it looks so beautiful. So that's what I'm shooting for today. Okay, so now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yes, today we have a guest, and the guest is Decor Home and Lifestyle, and that is Allie. So the theme is Valentine's Day. Okay, so now if you guys haven't been over to Decor Home and Lifestyle, you need to head on over there. Allie has an amazing channel. She is glam and elegant all the way. She loves her neutrals and she does beautiful videos, guys. You need to head on over there. You need to show them some love. You won't be disappointed, guys. And she absolutely loves Shop With Me's. And make sure when you go that you click that like button, leave her a beautiful comment, and let her know that I sent you. Okay, now these dishes here that I'm showing you, they came from Dollar General. The placemat came from Hobby Lobby, and that beautiful lamb's ear across the table there is absolutely beautiful. And believe it or not, that was thrifted. So the vase I DIY, the candles came from the Dollar Tree, the candle holders came from the Dollar Tree, and that rose box that you see at the very end is absolutely gorgeous. Believe it or not, that came from the Dollar Tree Plus section. Okay, so now the chargers I forgot to mention did come from Hobby Lobby. Now we have the glassware. Well, the water glasses were thrifted and the wine glasses came from the Dollar Tree. So overall, this was a budget-friendly tablescape that looks absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. Okay, so let's see. The napkins, those were thrifted items. And then the flatware did come from Aldi, and yeah, that was an amazing buy. And it did come in 3 colors. I picked the gold tone, but they had silver and they also had black. So I think this tablescape looks absolutely amazing. Let's go light the candles and head on over to the reveal. Okay, now I do want to take a moment and thank Ali from Decor Home and Lifestyle for guest hosting in this collaboration. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.